G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here, and tonight I just wanted to clear a few things up because I've been away for a few weeks and there's been a very good reason for that. I don't even know again. I'm just making this a short video. There will be another video out on a bit more detail and a bit more footage of this, but at the moment the Vectra's in the garage, not because it's broken. We just wanted to clear out the space out the front, but normally there's another car there. There's the one that's the intro to the channel, week in, week out for the last three and a half years. And it's no longer here. So my Monaro is gone. In other news, the Cruise is also gone too. That's in a separate thing. But what happened is last week here in Melbourne, I can't remember the exact date. I think might have been, oh geez, I can't remember now. But last week, my wife was driving home. Her car had been playing up a fair bit recently, and so I put it in the garage and had it in here for now. Just did some work to it and it was running okay. But just wanted to be sure. We're in a process of trying to work out if we want a new car or not. And she was driving my car, and last Tuesday I get a phone call, and she'd been in a car accident. So she lost control of the car, just driving, sort of left a red light, and as she's turned, she's hit oil on the road or something, and she's the back end's kicked out. She's tried to correct it, it's dug in and put it straight into a parked car. That parked car got pushed up over the gutter and then into another car. So when I arrived, it was pretty bleak. Monaro's copped one in the corner. Both airbags have gone off. All the seatbelts have gone off. Everything had gone off. So long story short, the Monaro's written off. It's no longer in my possession. We had to deal with constant insurance companies and all that kind of stuff, working out other people's stuff and as well as our own. So long story short, I'll make a proper video because I've got footage from that day and the last time I actually got to see the car. So just wanted to catch you guys up. What's that mean for the channel? Well, there's going to be no Monaro stuff, no V8 stuff anymore. There's no Cruise stuff anymore. We've actually sold that car. We've bought a new car, like a family car. So that probably won't be on the channel really that often because I'm not going to be really touching that much because it's pretty much brand new. So at the moment, all I've got is the Vectra to work on. Sometimes we might do some stuff on the Jeep if it needs it, but I'm going to try a lot of stuff out on this car, test a lot of stuff out. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I've got getting a bit of a cold again. So that is pretty much the story at the moment. I just wanted to make a short video just to let you guys know what was happening. What will happen with Panda Garage from now on? Well, I'm not too sure. I'm going to be making videos still. I've been a bit preoccupied at this point in time. We've just had a lot of issues with cars, a lot of frustrations, and especially the nail in the coffin for me was seeing the Monaro in a wreck. So thank you all so much for watching the channel. Greatly supported over the years. I didn't end up selling it in the end, which I had someone that was actually looking to buy it. So that's a shame there because I'm sure they would have appreciated it. But maybe the old girl just didn't want to be sold. Maybe she just wanted to rest and take it easy, and she probably would have been worked hard. I found out from regos, like from stickers and stuff, from when I got stuff serviced, when I got the transmission rebuilt. I have only driven it 3,500 Ks with that transmission in it, so that's 2 years. So it's taken 2 years to get 3,500 Ks on it. So yeah, that was all learning stuff as we're cleaning out the car. She still drove though to the very end. I want to add that it was a write-off, but it drove to the end. Like the guy actually drove it onto the tow truck. Didn't need any assistance at all. She just went straight up. Still drives perfectly. The engine starts up great. Everything is pretty much great about the car. It's just the whole front end got crumpled in, and you'll see those pictures. And the insurance company is just like, no, it's too much work, so we're going to write it off. So someone's going to get a bargain deal on a Monaro, I'd say. But I feel like that chapter in my life is closed now, which is a shame. But I was very lucky. I got to own that car for 7 years, and I've loved every second of it, and that car hasn't let me down. So in terms of like future projects, at this point I haven't got anything in line, but I do have one car that I've had for a very long time, and I don't think I've ever talked to about it on this channel. It's actually the oldest car I own, and it's also the longest car I've owned. Technically, it's never been on the road, but I have used it a lot in my younger years, and it's sitting at my parents' farm. So I'm thinking about maybe bringing that down. So if you guys are interested what that mystery car may be, let me know down below, and we might even bring it back from the farm and use that as a basis of a project car, which I think would be really cool, doing a bit of restoration on it. It is an older car. It's a car from the 70s. So if you guys can take a guess at that, go right ahead. But that would be a biggish project to do. Be a bit of fun. As to say, the show goes on. I've got a love for so many different cars. The Monaro was my dream car. As a kid, I saw it at the car show, my brother and I, and I'm proud to say I got to own one, which not many people can say. So, yeah, that chapter's closed. We'll get a new chapter open up at some point. So if you guys want to see that car, it's been sitting for quite a long time. I haven't seen it probably in maybe 10 years. So I spoke to my mum about it, and she said that, yeah, it pretty much looks the same. It's just a little bit more rusty, but it is in a relatively dry climate. So if you guys want to see that on the channel, I may try and get the wheels in motion to bring that home, and we can start that as a project, which would be fun. So that's all I wanted to let you guys know. Thank you all so much for watching. Sorry if you've been messaging my Facebook account. I haven't really been logged into it lately. So if you've got any questions on there, I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. I've sort of just gone off a bit social media at the moment. And yeah, if you want to leave your eulogies for Meryl and the Monaro, leave them down below too. So at least I've got some good pictures of her. I'm going to get some frames and that made up with some photos so that we can hang up in here in the garage. And we've got to do some tidying up out here because shit's got out of control, dirty-wise. So it's all sitting over there. And yeah, I'll quit rambling now. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for joining me the last 3.5 years with my Monaro. And let's hope we can create some more content, create some more fun, more memories with a new project car, as well as doing some work on this thing, trying to get it cleaned up a bit and practice some stuff. So I always want to learn more, and we might try that on this car. Might do some wheel stuff soon. So yeah. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This has been Panda Garage. Yeah, sorry to break the bad news, but yeah, Monaro is now gone. It's gone to car heaven. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.